Alright guys, so I'm gonna give them one more chance. Let's just say that. I'm gonna give them one more chance. Okay, so the goal is to have these frames above here or right there so that I can see them. You know, some type of motivation that I can see while I'm in my bedroom. And these are the different frames here. They look really nice. Okay, and then I have these two. And then I got this one, BU. This is real cute. I like this one. Just the idea of it, it's cute. And then I got these frames. So, trying to see where I want to put these frames. Probably over there. Let's get into it. Okay, it don't look that bad. It looks nice. So I think I might leave that like that because there's 3 mirrors. And then I'm going to remove this heater. That's supposed to be my hat, so I'm gonna leave it alone. Okay, y'all. Let me take you guys off. Okay, so that's how it... Oops. Okay, so that's how it looks up there. Turn on the light, and that's how the other mirrors look over there. So as I am sleeping, lying down, I can see that. Don't mind the thing up there. I need to finish the painting. Trying to replace that. So I need to replace that and paint over that. But yeah, I like it. And I put the little BU up there because it just didn't look nice on the wall, but this is how it looks. Turn off the light. Yeah, so these are gonna go over there. Let's get to it. Okay, look at that, guys. It looks really nice. Move out the way. Look at that. And then that right there. So my bedroom is somewhat officially done. Just need to paint that, and then get some more lighting in here. But I like it. It's a little cute room. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give them one more chance. Let's just say that. I'm gonna give them one more chance. I need to just put my mount on. I'll fix it once I get to my next destination. So like I said, I was here yesterday and they were closed. So I just got here again at 4:30 something, right? So I got there and I was like, okay, when was my appointment? And the guy was like, oh, your appointment was yesterday, but I wasn't here. The manager was here. I was like, okay, well, I came and no one was here. And I stayed for about 18 until 5:18 and no one was there. So what can be done? And he was like, oh, we close at 5 today. And it's like, I'm leaving the location and it's 4:55. 4:55, and I'm like, okay, can you check my oil? Because the little message on my sticker is saying that I and past due that I have to do this oil change, which is why I'm kind of freaking out, because I want to stay up to par with my car. So basically he checked it, he was like, no, you're good. Normally the message that we put on the stickers, the mileage at the time that you get the oil change. And I told him no, because when I came to your location last time, I told the mechanic to put the number of when I should come back to get an oil change, because that's what I always get on the stickers. So yeah, I'm trying to make sure my mic is good. So that's the message I always get when I go to get an oil change. They always put like the next due date or whatever, next mileage I should come in. So basically he checked it, it says it's good, and I told him that I'm getting this little check engine message on my car, and so I have an appointment for next week at 9:30 a.m. because I was like, let me get the earliest, the first of time on Sundays, because I can't do it throughout the week because I get off around 8 something. But yeah, guys, it's just wish me luck next week, because this is ridiculous. Truly ridiculous. I'm just trying to make sure my car is good, especially now that it's my car, like my car, it is mine. So I need to take care of it, and just like every other vehicle or device, I want to take care of things that mean to me a lot. But now I'm going to the mall. Hopefully I make it there on time. It's been a long day. I would say productive, because I did go to the mechanic as I said I would. So, and I did the picture things and, you know, wash the clothes, all of that. But I will see you guys when I get to the mall. I kind of know what I want to get, but not really sure completely. I haven't been to the mall in a while, so let me just go and see what's there. I'll see you guys when I'm there. Alright guys, so I'm gonna head home. That was interesting. I haven't been to the mall for a minute. So guys, that was interesting. So I ended up getting some things. I thought I was gonna go and get some shoes, but I don't know, the lines were crazy. The lines were crazy. Too long for me, too many people in the mall. So I ended up coming back in circle to one other store, and you guys will see a haul from there, and got some stuff from there, and then I was just over it. By the time I was leaving, the mall was closed. So again, they close at like 7. So that's another issue in itself, because I didn't have enough time to do what I had to do because the mall closed. I was trying to get some sneakers. More so on my list, I'm trying to get some Pumas, some Jordans. I wanted to get some Uggs or whatever type of shoes, and some Tims, but I didn't see that, like the ones that I really want. So I might need to come back next week or after the holidays, because then they might have some sales. But either way, thank you guys so much for watching the vlog. It was very productive. I will see you guys tomorrow, and make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and Share the video, leave a comment down below as to how you're preparing for the holidays or what you're doing for the holidays. It doesn't have to be anything like extravagant, but let's have a chat in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.